All right, so this is how to draw the brachial plexus. So you'll start by just writing C5, C6, C7, C8, and T1. You'll then draw a line with two things connecting C5 and C6, same with C8 and T1, and then you'll draw the exact opposite with C7, and you'll leave it a little bit short, like so. Then you'll just draw a couple of arrows to create M's. So first we'll do this, and we'll do the same thing up here. Then lastly, we'll just draw an X connecting these two, like so. Now we'll label the nerves. So this is musculocutaneous. This right here is median. And this is ulnar. This is axillary. And this is radial. Now the other mnemonic to keep in mind here is, remember to drink cold beer. And I'll actually put this in pink to make it a little easier to see. And that stands for roots. Actually, before we get to that, so basically we're going to put one at each place in the brachial plexus here that changes. So we'll start here with roots, and then trunks, divisions, cords, and then finally the branches. And the branches include the axillary, and radial. So roots, trunks, divisions, cords, and branches. All right. Now, a rule to keep in mind here, just for the direction of things, is if the line goes out, it's anterior, and if it goes in, it's posterior. So we can just label these right here, specifically these divisions. So you'll always write the letter at the end of the line. So remember, if it goes out, it's anterior, so we'll draw an A there. This one is going in, so it's posterior. This one's also going in, so it's posterior, which makes this guy right here posterior. And then this one stays out, so it's of course anterior, as is this guy up here. Now we'll quickly label the rest of these. So for the trunks, this one's obviously the upper, this guy is the middle, and this one is the lower. Then finally, we already have this is the posterior, this is the lateral. I'm going to keep the colors the same actually. This here is lateral, and then this is medial. Okay. The other thing we can do is draw a long line right here. It connects C5, C6, and C7, and this is the long thoracic nerve, which innervates serratus anterior. All right. Then to draw some lesions. So if we cut right here, this is Erb's palsy. If we cut right here, this is Klumpke's. If we cut the long thoracic here, we get scapular winging. If we cut the radial, this is Saturday night palsy. And then obviously if we cut axillary, we hear the deltoid. The other kind of interesting thing to keep in mind is that these two right here are the extensors, and these three out here are the flexors. And that's drawing the brachial plexus.